Makacho said your bone in the ebe can send ye tear. Yen fabin count na yen yibin so en fem frimu. Ba yen fa ehun so nkon meneka se wa bre nim no kratrodo. Nyankopon goto ne ebo afomini de akwasi ensi Asem Yi Di Ka bre na adresi. A happy birthday and confirm corporate nana ya Abigail adresi. Your yajuma all doves to Tesano PlayStation. And then your birthday. I wish you all the best. Nyankopon on shira. Na onyo kase. Kopenso beye kase pa. So happy birthday. And for nana ya Abigail adresi. Ya what doves ya kachi ya what Tesano PlayStation. And I'm not to a shall commodity be say about ye anymore. One way or the other, all through memo call Amrone, Equacoye, a Juma. No pay get papa bidia bombra, or ye memo. And I'm establishing medical as a minion so. Because medical catos and me a man for con a boy pa. Because among and to work a cracker on the bano and a sustaining in Musyakobi. Especially in our communities. In Kron Kumemu, or more $10, $50, $100, 10 euros, 10 pounds na ebano, and the bushie bidia komasika at the shop. It's a yepa, a ye. Namasaka cho said the rate at which in Sua Nipa Bisua Peppa say, ye never corner any hard drink. And there's no choice about that. Any hard drink. And I dream pony timpo ye no and a money hard drink. And I make a say Canadian Embassy for the first quarter of 2024. Ghana Fuana is seeking for visa from Canadian Embassy inquire around 63,000. 63,000. Any Canadian Embassy inquire. Also America for a war. The DV lottery. See, I think if I'm getting it right. DV lottery. That story from American website. That DV lottery, yeah. Se uwinia unya kwenya kwatena America ya betimi ade onwa ye wadwuma se ne wukuta nkrata e wa America bebepe hwene esi wo Ghana ha in 2015 and this Ghanaians had more applications to win the US green card lottery than any other country brabe ha de man top man fa ko down men ke card ibo adam chro na me chro Ghana for do a apply for sa a green card lottery ebi me kaka krabi o de ayaye man first here. Also in many ways for foreign nationals winning the US visa lottery is the ultimate American dream. More than any other country in the world, Ghanaian citizens are chasing that dream. In 2015, most recent year for which data is available, Ghana with 1.73 million people. Where 2015? And number 2014 of Canadian Embassy. Ghana for to do a application EP visa from Canada. Canadian Embassy Diako Canada was around 63,000 for the first quarter. But in 2015, Ghana for a year US visa lottery, according to this US estate for the media estate, almost said they are more social they for no. I see 1.73 million people, Ghanaians. In 2015, almost pegging a population at 25 million. So this will give you roughly about 7% of our population then. It's Uncle Fu in Uncle Puao. 1.73 million. We just could Muko. Wamunko Slawbio. Wamunko Hospital. Ombesom Cotton America. Way back 2015. Ninti no no kasara meka cho say. Adina ekos no nye MPP nye NDC asem. Ye nyina asoma should come to realization say baby ababedu na fedie emu aye de amaye. What should be the way forward? Debia misa dachi papa be ne eja e de ato ho de ama enchirima. De ben hyehyeye ne ade ato wonom e de make sure say Ghana this year and Mabunu especially ebenya dachi papa. Ebenya dachi papa. because se me hunu future se me hunu dachine year se bi bia mposu me se mentam sika bam enfa kotri maso eno na make a chiro me se amanfo bi etwa 25,000 euros so benya abrochirin krata European country and then not convert about 425,000 we is ke betimi start business kase pa Ghana but Ghana ni se onyi gidi oni manimo e di kwamre betimi afa so a ye ni sa gidi ni ahotoso ebeba and like I make a chiro no this is 1.73 million Ghana for US visa lottery 2015 ko mo application say ke mo win but unfortunately every year biano America for ever nipa 50,000 per every year nipa 50,000 per no for a US visa lottery it 1.73 million and yes applicant see sankrofo we nyam krofo a no mo ko school sankrofo 1.73 million mo apply for 2015 no enyam krofo a no mo ko hospital no mo ko sankrofo enyam krofo mo seek for America krata yo metim ya kronim and no search for motive for the penny e can send me or some about say video natural but see abamba na nim kwa teacher for aketwia ho we no carry to so teacher for no mo mani so komadwuma ho and no make catch me aketwia ye twia o mem hanom no eye bibi o se nyina hwe kwa betimi afa so a ye beka ho asem ye aketwia ye twia o ye mem hanom no eye bibi o se nyina ni agye koso that be a missile so power ye fair to ourselves fa obe wie nyina be kwa say nyame adom ne ye de krakra mu ye so kwa abroche na so sika sa sound mi ko bia onkoje ayebosia ba Ghana de obo a de papa be fam abosome na so am wakọ tini betimi aye about yaketwa ho 60 to 70% of Ghana for ye chiomo eka cannot live on their salary. You can't. Today be alright. Na wife mo ye. Em grade so e dey me na so me share keto no eh why fine pa o bo akopɛ kakra. Akopɛ kakra. No ma hine yire dey kafa ho ben. But one fan for one common me yesterday, Mama can tell me sorry, and minimum why I didn't grab my straight. Quite been a bit to me first, but I could try on some more mame. Ubi a water warrior woman, bear me no think I get you 1,500, 2,000. 2,000. Ubi to me surviving. If you look at your transportation. And that's what cause for taxi credit free one end to the other corner et say and then try Asem. These are the issues that Ghana for training will say former President John Dramani Mahama, Dr. Alhaji Baumia, give us a solution. Quite benefit me first one. You've been dealing with these issues. We can't survive on our salaries. We can't. Get to me. It is the beer we have to resort to the politicians. You say MP de be twa dan come out. You so yare hospital MP de ma kakra de twa ho. Oba school fees. And ekwa nyame ya do ma free SHS abent no. SHS ni yakava. Na private university cry the Asem. We can't live on our salaries. These are the issues that Ghana for training will say yem pen for mo besiesie. These are the issues. The Ghana in India humetie ebeko akobe toilet so. Some penu waka some say enim guasie fato kan ba. Na say true baby a. Na ka ye dey nanka oman ye team nipa 1.73 million say America for bi akwanya say one apply. Na nipa 1.73 million Ghanaians and apply. Say enye school no woko. Uncle for hospital. Uncle sa obio wo kwasa America for ba na nkrata no ntimi ti America kronim. Da bia me se eye But as of mine, yes, you is a quabin a bit in your first one. You buy yes, your money. Open our started. Open the cacacracy and an Indian, the month for in Yanni Swanu. Share video and Nagana for no more deal combo. Yet you be so munya. O may you from them. Share video in my say na no mind to us.
Egugumo ewa broche na ewa broche mmeti hai se ye kase ye de me ko Europe bibia ne we besi me kwan se me ko because of my ni more den but se ko ba se me ko Arab dia me ameti hai se wo de cha me kura se me ko ni free anya de ameko because makobia ba mahu se de hosete nti ne se de o my ni mo aye de ne de e Europe ameko but se Arab me manage wa haya
kwan de abia ne sisi ya Europe fast track number 1 I'm here company na kwa mi nabi kwa me content because Ghana no is in ya me ko hu say empanifo no modanu ni nyina no e grab sika ni nyina gu omboto no my system na I had them yetimamfo no ene is lad be untimi tio be adwuma wi na do busimi akatwa nyina ko tua lad be mfaso bia ni so betra Ghana dance anka obekwa ene kokko hye nkosu mo kwa na do hu say mfaso so ene better than say nipa kakra be grab sika ni nyina dia show omboto na ye ho akire ye wo man ni you see pampers kwampo intimento aka kakra bi na pampers ko 3.5 cutie aden
kwanya no beto sa de o se me zumi to me bo me homo de se o meko because enena ngasa na blabon ya monfa ko disa kwanya beto sa o se me zumi ko na me zumi ko kire me bobro se bi akwanya ya oblano be kan adan ya mame
da Ghana no mo si aye din ade chen aye da ye sori etutu no mo mpa de na se ma da sori no be say obi twa print ticket am to kwam pa de and meko brute because o manu mo aye den pa
meko papa because see aduane kura bo aye den kura san dan ye dem e o mse se me kodru obi man so me ho betwe me de but me hu ne se e ho me ho be hen me kakra because e ho no obi eni ho ntie ne nye me pese me ye no metimi aye se vi kakra me ha dem po na e ho sika na e wo form kakra because as say o musika no ye de no wo so class no nti me kwa me ho be hen me pa nti anka e ba sisi ade ya o china nka me ko
sisi ami wa ha de se akonya e ba sisi ase me nko amono ne a yes me ko denti ame ko ne se ye nyina ye nim se o wa amono ne a amono ne se be enye kura mpo no nya Ghana tupe na amono ne aha nti me ko na makoya adwuma de aye de
eti first ne na abrofo no ba na be fe na nanom konkwaso ne de ya ne de ho komom me saka biem se enya ne bone so eye se Ghana fo betu kwa ko bi maso ne sa wonkokra na ska kra ba man but as a man or serious say the fundamental issues are and many person me me committed for me memra no the fundamental issues no say address you see akatwa anye you see kasem anye and the nipa didi kra e den didi mpre no kra e difficult ni ebedi ni edi etibeto ni ebehye ni Ghana for no. These are the fundamental issues sir ye hwem se maye de amaye emro so enchenso nyamya yadom ye woni me betimi aboya ma sansem we ya ye ka wasem ye nsa betimi aka but what we need is quality leadership selfless dedicated ones ye enya pesame kuminyafo o man kwabla santia so ma bokọ de
oh nyamya adom bibia ye kama e wa hanum say na onkomo no na meeting in as much as it's quite worrying so they be adameka say we also have a responsibility because whichever way you look at it from I mean yes sure say Europe no at that form sir so the basics should be fixed but in fixing it they be adameka yeah ATM ho edwadifo nyina aka ho onko fa de you know dead rice 70 Ghana cedi 5 kg now on beton 140 Ghana cedi and you are contributing to the noise of my anymore we have a responsibility if we also don't tell them the hard truth the fact is where we're university they be America it's not automatic that government should give you a job to do because my university near Akwenya say uncle afuom to say the air afuom aye mpreko ne kokona abaka is on yet. So we also have to speak hard to them, tough. It doesn't come on a silver platter because the point is that Ghana 10:30, no for back 1 o'clock. We should not make noise about the few people at the top there who are politicians. And because you have an experience with the public service people, share it for people to know that enemies. Some of them extremely dangerous to the progress of this country and the development. Some public and civil servants. So if we are not ready to help governance in this country, we will continue. 10 years back, 15 years back Christmas, and what the Ghanaians said, Afi bia you, Afi bia you. So I thank you for some of these revelations up. And you're worrying the exodus of a certain bracket of group or move free of mining, but at the same time, we need to talk tough and truth to some of these things. Yes, sir. Any people hide under some of these things that you say, I did say nipa yakora onye. No, I say chano because obineye. You know, typical example. Ukrum kwanje ye kwano so osifu trubo. Iti kwanje nye say. That's it. Ukrum kwanje. Onyame adomo kwa de ye kwanje ma. Osusu sa complain say e kwanje futrubo. Iti kwano agomo mfa glass we me cover the whole town. No munti baby. How do we do it? Wo property tax across the rate kura ni tua your thing. Assembly for ba wana wo didi o matem. Baby also wo kono. O last kura na aka kura na you give it out. Why can't you do that sacrifice here? So please agree kwesi dia wo kanyina na baby e ti beto baby e be bo apayo mu no nipa binimu eyosi akwan ebinimu pe hoye ne sakasaka ebinimu pe dede keke. Because all the things that you have said, Obi catch yourself free from the days of Adam. Any pantiminya ahomje da. Untiato ozuzo kasa. So that you can hold those at 28 in check. But all these businessmen, some of them in businessmen, connivance with people that we think say, or may patriotic from Mother Ghana. How about near ports like there? And because some of these is you know. So what's the point I say?
Yeah.
So in as much as wafa hamana or the pim ni pabwa mani pet matras, you know, Magan and Nino Sontia say, Debi Adameka, it cannot be the usual business where NDC will come to power and you expect that NDC will bring a magic, MPP will continue, and you expect the MPP will bring a certain magic. There is no magic if we all don't put ourselves together and check the system. There's no magic. Baby, I'll call it just in carrot light, but do carrot light. On try. So, let's not pretend as if say we at the end of the day assume can be there. Do you know because wo enemy no more so we are here.
Yeah. I'll come on here because
I diamond one will be catching Aji Bruni betra so. So I'm not surprised that the mindset is that Aji Kuhu Bruni fit as a developer. Yes. And this week you've done a fantastic job. These revelations are the brain. So super. Akora ketu awo 18 years. O pe Land Cruiser na them. Now pe iPhone latest na them. I use you. How do you survive? That's it.